How to check the last seen on IMO. Want to know when your friends were last online? This guide shows you how to check last seen on IMO so you can see when your friends were last active. First, open the IMO app and go to the chat with the contact that you want to check. At the top of the chat, you will see contact's name. Right under the name, you will see last seen time. This will tell you the date and time of the last activity on IMO. You can also see if a contact is online by looking for a green tick or a green dot on the profile picture. This means that the contact is online. If the icon is orange L, it means they are offline. You should know if a contact has disabled the last seen feature in the privacy settings, so you won't be able to see the last seen time. So if you can't see a contact's last seen time, they might have turned it off. You now know how to check the last seen on IMO. Get ready to see when your friends were last active. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.